Is your IPTV constantly buffering, freezing, or stopping in the middle of your favorite show? It is frustrating, it really is. But the good news is you can fix it. Let me show you the exact steps that actually work. First, understand this clearly. Most IPTV buffering problems come from three things: internet, device, or provider. Now let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your internet speed. You need stable speed, at least 20 Mbps for HD. For 4K, you need 40 Mbps or more. Restart your router, unplug it, wait 30 seconds, plug it back. Show speed test on Fire Stick browser or mobile. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch band. Use 5 GHz instead of 2.4 GHz. Step 2. Use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi can be unstable, especially if many devices are connected. Use a Fire Stick Ethernet adapter. This gives a more stable connection. Step 3. Clear app cache. Cache can slow down IPTV apps. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications, then select your IPTV app, then select Clear Cache. Do not select Clear Data unless needed. Show Fire Stick Settings navigation. Step 4. Change IPTV player. Some apps perform better than others. Use TV Mate or IPTV Smarters or OTT Navigator. Many users report smoother playback with these apps. Step 5. Check your IPTV provider. This is very important. If your provider servers are overloaded, no fix will fully solve buffering. Test another provider trial. Compare performance. Step 6. Use a VPN smartly. Sometimes ISPs slow down IPTV traffic. Use a trusted VPN. Connect to a nearby server. Do not use slow or free VPNs. They can increase buffering. Show simple VPN connect screen. Step 7. Adjust buffer size in app. Some apps allow buffer settings. Increase buffer size to medium or high. This reduces freezing. Step 8. Close background apps. Too many apps slow your Fire Stick. Restart your device. Go to Settings, then go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. Step 9. Update your device and apps. Old software causes issues. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to About, then select Check for updates. Update your IPTV app also. Step 10. Advanced fix. Change DNS. This is less common, but works for some users. Use Google DNS 8.8.8.8 or 8.8.4.4. This can improve connection routing. Simple Fire Stick home screen. Minimal transitions. If you still face buffering, write your issue in the comments. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Follow these steps carefully, and your IPTV will run smooth and stable again.